For the first operation, we are going to rough out the part using Surface High-Speed Dynamic OptiRough. Surface High-Speed Dynamic OptiRough toolpath supports cutters capable of machining very large depths of cut. It uses a aggressive, fast, intelligent roughing algorithm based on Mastercam's 2D high-speed dynamic milling motion. A single optimized toolpath can cut material in two directions, on step-downs and step-ups. This highly efficient bidirectional cutting strategy removes the maximum amount of material with the minimum amount of step-downs. With that being said, come up to the top and select Toolpaths. Hover over Surface High Speed and select Dynamic OptiRough. When this is done, Mastercam will ask us to insert a new NC name. Just select OK. Select the drive surface. We are going to grab the stock here and hit Enter on our keyboard. From here, we need to also make sure that we set a containment boundary. Select this icon here, and under the chaining dialog box, select C-plane and select the top chain here. When this is done, select OK, and select OK once more. You'll notice that Dynamic OptiRough will be selected. We also want to make sure that in the containment boundary, we stay inside. Once this is done, come over to the left-hand side and select Tool. Select Library Tool, and select Filter. From here, we will make sure that the toolpath type is a bull end mill. We will make sure that the tool diameter is equal to 0.5, and hit Enter on our keyboard. Once this is done, select OK. Grab the middle tool, or tool 345, and select OK again. Enter the comment, rough out the part. Once you have the comment in, come over to the left-hand side and select Cut Parameters. Under Cut Parameters, we need to adjust the step over passes. Change this value to 15, and change the step down value to 150, and hit Enter on your keyboard. Also, turn on Step Up and change this value to 15, and hit Enter on your keyboard once more. We are also going to mill vertical walls. Come over to Stock to leave on walls and floors and update the values to 0.02 or 20 thou each. Once you have this done, come over to the left-hand side and select Transitions. Under Transitions, make sure that this matches the default values of those in your training tutorial. Select Steep/Shallow. Turn on Use Z depths and change the maximum depth to -2.75 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once this is done, come over to the left-hand side and select Linking Parameters. In Linking Parameters, we want to make sure that these values align to that of our training tutorial. Mine seem to match perfectly, so I'm going to skip over this step and select OK. This will generate our toolpath. When you see this generator off to the side, Mastercam is creating the toolpath. Mastercam hasn't frozen. You just have to be patient. Once the toolpath is created, it should look something like this. Come up to the top and select the backplot option. From here, select the play button. Once this is done, your backplot should look like this. Come up to the top and select the Close button. From here, typically you would select the Verify operation at this point. I'm going to skip over this so we can create our stock model. Come up to the top and select Toolpaths, scroll down and select Stock Model. In Stock Model, we need to insert the name Stock After Roughing. Once we have our title in, make sure that the stock is set to rectangular. Also select Stock Setup to insert the values. Come over to the left-hand side and select Source Operations, and make sure that this folder here is highlighted. Once this is done, select OK. Your stock model should appear as shown. Highlight both folders, come up to the top, and toggle your toolpath display.